Nice job, Mikey. Hey, 15 cuts over there, then switch it up. 15.
So yeah, 0 and it's pretty much you gotta know somebody. It's kind of literally straight center. Hey, wow. This was his first week going to be. All right. I used to get number for the long time.
Good job, Mikey. Nice job. Hey, just hitting the house up.
Getting better. It's a while. Okay, someone's home. What permits we looking for? You still got right?
Still got Cambridge for 10. And we're looking at Winchester for all 20. Eric's got a guy who has like explosives and on a pole in Winchester. And they own a railroad company in Winchester. Some fucking ridiculous. I don't know. We're supposed to have an answer like Monday or Tuesday. We're supposed to have an answer this Tuesday, and then Eric's mom passed. So he didn't go to work. And the guy who was doing the permits is away for 3 days. You guys want to help pick them up? How many is that, Ed? Yeah. Have you done the wind up yet? Oh, yeah. So two more.
15 for this wind up.
Last one.
Take a break in 15 for stretch or just
Everybody else. That's it. Smoke.